I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance on a Dirt Devil Power Reach. See up in the corner there's dust lodged in between the plastic, and the Cyclone is a little dusty. First thing is to empty it. And we'll be washing this in the sink. This filter, put it in the sun or put it on heat to dry, because it has to be fully dry. See, there's a little bit of dust in here. Two wing things here, you can just push them in. Take the hose off. We'll be cleaning that also. We're not going to do this in the sink. I'll just push a rag through it. Because if you do it in the sink, see all these ribs here? It won't dry properly unless you have it stretched. Go with the brush bar. If the brush bar has some carpet windings on there, you want to cut them off. You can use a knife or scissors. We'll undo this. Need a Phillips screwdriver. But I'll just undo it to show some people if there's excessive amount of long carpet or hair. But in this one here, see, this one doesn't have to, but I'll show you. Because it's easier to cut it off when it's off the machine. It's a good idea to take it apart once in a while, because up in here where the belt goes, you might have dust or hair wound in there. See, now you can pull the little wheel level off. And I'll show you up in there. Bring my flashlight. Yeah, lots of times you got stuff sitting right in here. See, there's a little bit there now. Not much. See, right here. Depends how long you haven't cleaned it for. See, you got some right there. This could be just stacked right up. And at the same time, we can check the bearings. And if you need to oil them, you can just pull the caps off like so, and drop a little bit of oil in there, and then clean around there and push the caps back. You can do the same with that one. Then you can clean it. See, but it is spinning nice. And you can wash this in the sink too, but not the brush bar, because it'll put water in those bearings. I'm going to take the back hose off also. Might as well, since we've gotten this far. There, hose came off. Then you can push a damp rag through there. Empty the canister. So we'll give this a washing. There's stuff floating around in there. And we can unturn this. just give it a wipe with damp cloth. HEPA filter right here. And this one here, you can wash in the sink, but you gotta make sure it's real dry before putting it back. So, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a wipe. Well, I cut a coat hanger. Let's try it. See if I can push that through. Without getting the rag stuck. Yeah, I can feel it right there. Coat hanger out. There's the rag. There. Cleaned. There's a little bit in there. Oh, a little bit came out. I can see a little bit more dust in there, so I'll give it another. Right about there I can see some dust. And we should be able to see it come out there. There it is. Right there. I just happen to have needle nose pliers here. I was using that to cut the coat hanger. There. A little bit. There it is. Okay, that's cleaned. I'm going to start putting it all back together. Now, if this would have been a lot dirtier, I would have put some newspaper on the floor and did it here. The only ones I do outside are the curb find, and I'll never do a curb find in the house. You never know what's in there. But this vacuum I've had for years, and I use it around the home now and again. Well, the way I got this is I just pried it on each side to get it over the little lip there. Now I can just attach it here. I wonder if this will fit. Now, see, it catches, so you gotta put it out. There, I can put all the screws back down. And we can plug it in to check and see if the brush bar is spinning before we even bolt it all back together. I'll plug it in. Okay, let's see if it's spinning properly. Yep. I'll put the screws back in. This should only be able to go one way. I gotta find which way the little pieces are here. Okay. And lock is that way. Because if you don't, this won't line up properly. When you put this down in here, it won't line up. There, it's lined up. There's a little notch. There it is. Season's greetings, and if I don't see you before the new year, Happy New Year.